And folks, I am so proud of Filipina wife number 2. Look what she prepared me for breakfast. She warmed up those 2 leftover pork ribs from last night.
This is only Coke?
Yeah, that's just Coke, baby. You gonna drink my Coke after you ate that fish?
That's not fish.
Now my cup gonna smell like fish.
That's banana.
Oh, that's Turum. And we even had noodles last night instead of rice. And baby, show them the sauces that we're big balling these days, folks. We got A1 sauce and we got Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Baby, those ribs were delicious, right? They were so delicious, my goodness. And when I said what's for breakfast, I think she was trying to hide them ribs from me because she was going to snack on them later.
Oh my god.
I knew you were, baby. You didn't want to tell me. You said, oh, we got no bread for the tuna. I said, what about them ribs? But since she went and got her breakfast up at the local Carinderia, she had to give up them ribs for the foreign dude. Be honest, baby. You was gonna nibble, you was gonna nibble on them ribs later for a snack.
You're the one who think that. I'm not thinking that.
That's a Filipina snack, like a Scooby snack. Baby, what are you doing to my breakfast over there?
This is not yours only.
Oh, she see the stress I'm under? She's already ate breakfast. She was at the Carinderia at 06. Now she's over here getting all the good meat off my pork ribs.
I'm gonna eat the breakfast and diet. That's fucking delicious.
What? It's what?
My muscle.
What?
That's delicious.
What?
That's delicious.
Yeah, I know it is. It's because I cooked it.
I'm the one who cooked this. Last one.
Last one.
Yeah, last one.
Last one, and you'll be finished eating my breakfast.
Oh, last more. This one.
Come on, baby. Let me get in there.
There's a lot of meat in here.
Yeah, there's a lot of meat, and I want to eat that meat. You take that bone, nibble on that bone. Come on, give a penny, take a penny. Get your own plate and get out of here.
Come on, like my own plate. Yeah.
Are you finished?
Yeah. Yun na.
It's okay for me to eat now.
Mm-mm.